Zungumziwa sana sasa hivi ni kung'atuliwa mamlakani kwa Gavana Sonko, na meza yetu ya habari imezungumza na wakili aliyehusika na kung'atuliwa kwa Gavana wa Nairobi Mike Mbuvi Sonko, na pia vile kukusanya baadhi ya maoni ya Wakenya wakati ambapo shughuli ya kuapishwa kwa spika wa kaunti ya Nairobi Ben Mutura kama kaimu gavana inaendelea.
Thank you very much for this interview. Of course, it comes as a follow-up to what transpired yesterday at the Senate. We were there for 2 consecutive days, and our major objective was to make sure that the people of Nairobi and the people of Kenya serves justice. The event was the process was eventful. It was still a learning process. Everybody had a moment of learning one thing or the other. And most importantly, we are raising the bar in terms of impeachments. We would not just want where sham impeachment takes place. We want a situation whereby if you indeed going to be impeached, you're impeached on the basis of the facts and the law available, so that even the senators can have something to work with. That was our obligation. That is the brief we had gotten from our client. And you can see, the senators passed a verdict. The senators sat seriously for 2 consecutive days, listening to what was transpiring. None of them was leaving. So even at the time they were coming to make up their mind and an opinion, they knew what they were making an opinion for, and they knew what they were responding for, because we gave them overwhelming facts. As I had said, we were to give them the overwhelming evidence, and we actually presented them. It was not rebutted at any given time. At times, the guy could not even read what he himself had printed. And that's where we are. Today we are going for the swearing in for the next governor for Nairobi for the prescribed period, because nature abhors vacuum. Yeah, and the Constitution has contemplated a situation like this, or an occurrence like this. So there's going to be no vacuum in the state of in the county of Nairobi. Yeah.
And was the decision made? Do you think it was influenced by outside powers, or was it political?
I did not see the outside powers there, but suffice to note, impeachment is both political and legal. We gave the senators who are there, very mature senators. Senator Wako, a very distinguished jurist. Senator Wetangula, a very distinguished jurist. Senator Madzayo, all those guys who are there. Senator Omugeni, Senator Orengo. You mean people like that can be influenced? Those are solid legal minds.
But you said the voting. It seemed that it was coming from one side of the political side of the government.
Of course, there are those people who blocked their mind and who never wanted to hear the process, the facts. And of course, they became political, and it is within their rights for them to behave in that manner. But those people who voted, they voted on the basis of the facts and the laws that we presented.
There's still a controversial question about the MCAs, the voting of the rightful number of MCAs. Do you think Sonko was rightfully impeached?
He was rightfully impeached. That is why he never rushed to the High Court to quash the decision of my clients. If he had doubted the decision of my clients that was not validly arrived at, the simplest thing he would have done would have to go and challenge the same in court. We have not received any court challenge.
Hii kwa sababu ile wakati tulikuwa na imani na yeye na tukapea kura, lakini akakuja kuharibu. So hata vile tumeona hii Nairobi inahitaji ya super mind person.
Ile kutolewa kwa Sonko ni sawa tu kama wamepata kama kuna makosa fulani. Lakini kwa sisi kama watu ya mashinani tunasema pole kwa Sonko, kwa sababu kwetu ni uchungu, kwa sababu watu ya mashinani alisaidia kama kijiji huko ikichomeka, anaenda kuchengea watu ya chini.
Na haya ni baadhi ya maoni ya Wakenya, na haswa wakili ambaye aliwasilisha baadhi ya mashtaka kwenye bunge la Seneti la kumng'atua Gavana Mike Mbuvi Sonko akitueleza kwa hii ni ushindi hasa kwa mawakili kwa safari yao ya kuangatua magavana wanaowasilisha na mashtaka mbalimbali kwenye bunge la Seneti. Kwa sasa kinachoendelea ni kuwa spika wa kaunti ya Nairobi Ben Mutura anachukua wadhifa kama gavana wa kaunti ya Nairobi kwa kipindi cha siku 60, kisha wakazi wa kaunti ya Nairobi watatikana kwenda kufanya uchaguzi mdogo wa kumchagua gavana wa 3 wa kaunti hii ya Nairobi. Tuzidi kujuza zaidi kwa taarifa yetu ya baadaye. Jina langu ni Kariuki.